Hello everyone, I am Vaishali. Currently, I am pursuing my degree in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and my topic is on basic concepts of C. Introduction to C. C was developed in early 1970 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories. C was initially developed for writing system software. Today, C has become a popular language and various system programs are written using this language. Many other commonly used programming languages such as C++ and Java are also based on C. Characteristics of C. C is a high level programming language which enables the programmer to concentrate on the problem and not to worry about the machine code. Small size. C has only 32 keywords. This makes relatively easy to learn. Facilitates low level programming. Supports pointers to refer computer memory, array, structures, functions. C is an extensible language as it enables the user to add his own function to the C library. Structure of C program. A C program contains one or more functions. The statements in a C program are written with a logical sequence to perform a specific task. Execution of a C program begins at the main function. You can choose any name for the function. Every program must contain one function that has its name as main. Files used in C program. There are four main types of files used in C program. There are source code file, header file, object file, and executable file. Source code file. A source code file is a list of commands that has to be assembled or compiled into an executable computer program. The source code file contains a source code of the program. The file extension of any C source code file is C. The file contains C source code that defines the main function and maybe other functions. The main is starting at the point of execution when you successfully compile and run the program. Header file. When the working with the large projects is often desirable to make a subroutines and store them in a different file known as header file. Conventionally, header files names end with a H extension and its name can cause only letters, digits, dashes and underscores. When some standard header files are available in C, but the programmer may also create his own user-defined header files. Standard header file example string.h for string handling functions, stdlib.h for some miscellaneous function, stdio.h for standardized input and output functions. Object files. Object files are generated by the compiler as a result of processing the source code file. Object files contain a compact binary code of the function definitions. Linker uses this object file to produce an executable file by combining of the object files together. Binary executable file. The binary executable file is generated by the linker. The linker links to various object files to produce a binary file that can be directly executed. On Windows operating system, the executable file have extension. Compiling and executing C program. This is a flowchart for pre-processing before compilation. The compiler translates the source code into an object code. The object code contains a machine instruction for a CPU and calls to the operating system application programming interference. However, even object file is not an executable file. Therefore, in the next step, the object file is processed with another special program called a linker. While there is a different compiler for every individual language, the same linker is used for object file regardless of the original language, which is the new program in return. The output of a linker is an executable or runnable file. This is a flowchart for modular programming of the complete compilation and execution process. Using comments. This is a good programming practice to place some comments in the code to help the reader understand the code clearly. Comments are just a way of explaining what the program does. It is merely an internal program documentation. The compiler ignores the comment when forming the object file. This means that the comments are non-executable statements. C supports two types of commenting. Double slash is used to comment a single statement. This is known as a line comment, can be placed anywhere on the line and it does not require to be specifically ended as the end of the line automatically ends the line. Slash star is used to comment a multiple statements. A slash star is ended with the star slash and all the statements that lie within these characters are also commented. C tokens. Tokens are basic building blocks used in C language. It is the smallest individual unit in C program. A program is constructed using a combination of these tokens. There are six main types of tokens in C. They are keywords, operators, identifiers, constants, special symbols, and strings. Character set in a C. In a C, character means any letter from an English alphabet, a digital or a special symbol used to represent information. A character set of C can be therefore given as English alphabet. Include both lowercase small a to small z as well as uppercase capital A to capital Z letters. Digits include numerical digits from 0 to 9. Special characters include symbols such as earth, percentage, and star, curly brackets, less than, greater than, is equal to, underscore, addition, subtraction, dollar, common brackets, square brackets, semicolon, colon, apostrophe, quotation, question mark, full stop, exclamation, and slash. White space characters. These characters are used to print a blank space in a screen like slash b, slash t, slash v, slash r, slash f, and slash n. Escape sequences. Keywords. C has a set of 32 reserved words, often known as keywords. All these keywords are basically a sequence of characters that have a fived meaning. By convention, all the keywords for a for, while, do while, auto break, case, char, continue, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, signed, size of, static, struct, switch, type, def, union, unsigned, void, volatility. These are the keywords in C. Thank you.